Realme has officially launched the first smartphone in its brand new Neo series, the Realme Neo7, delivering flagship-grade specs at an impressive mid-range price. This powerhouse of a smartphone features MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a top-tier processor from earlier this year, alongside a massive 7000 mAh battery and an IP69 water and dust resistance rating, rare for devices in this price range. The Neo7 sports a 6.78-inch 8T LTPO OLED display made by BOE. It boasts an FHD Plus resolution and a variable 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth performance. This high-quality panel shines with an astonishing 6000 nits peak brightness and comes with crystal armor glass protection. Realme has also integrated an in-display fingerprint sensor and a 16MP selfie camera neatly placed inside a punch-hole notch. On the back, the Realme Neo7 impresses with a 50MP primary camera featuring Sony's IMX882 sensor, a 26mm equivalent lens, and optical image stabilization (OIS) for sharper shots. Additionally, it packs an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, giving users flexibility for wide-angle photos. Under the hood, the Neo7 runs Realme UI 6.0 based on the latest Android 15, ensuring users have access to cutting-edge software features. Connectivity is future-proof with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support. To keep performance steady, Realme has incorporated a massive 700mm Superscript 2 vapor chamber (VC) heatsink, ensuring efficient cooling during heavy use like gaming or multitasking. The phone's 7000 mAh battery stands out as a highlight, providing up to 3 days of usage based on Realme's internal testing. Even better, it supports 80W fast charging, making recharging quick and efficient. Available in 3 colors, white, blue, and black, the Realme Neo7 offers excellent value. Pricing in China starts at 2,199 Chinese yuan, $302, for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. The top-tier 16GB RAM and 1TB version is priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan, $454. Pre-orders are now live in China, with deliveries starting December 16. With its powerful specs, exceptional battery life, and IP69 durability, the Realme Neo7 is a game-changer in the mid-range segment. Realme fans and smartphone enthusiasts are sure to be excited for this latest addition to the Neo lineup.